Understanding Imitation Products, a guide to fake and knockoff items. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that you've probably encountered in your everyday life, but may not have thought deeply about: imitation products. Whether you're shopping online, visiting local markets, or just browsing through your favorite stores, knowing about imitation products is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, how to identify them, and why they matter. So, let's get started. Imitation products, also known as knockoffs or counterfeits, are items that are made to look like another, usually more expensive, brand or product without permission from the original maker. These products often mimic the design, packaging, and branding of the original item closely, but are typically sold at a much lower price. The quality of these imitation items can vary greatly, from nearly indistinguishable to obviously inferior. Identifying imitation products can be tricky, but there are some key indicators that can help. Price. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. Genuine brand name items rarely sell for drastically reduced prices. Quality. Look for signs of poor craftsmanship such as uneven stitching, low-quality material, or misspelled brand names. Packaging. Authentic products usually have high-quality packaging with accurate branding. Imitations might have blurry logos or typos. Seller. Purchase products from reputable sellers or directly from the brand's official website or store. Be cautious of unknown online sellers or market stalls. Understanding imitation products is important for several reasons. Quality and safety. Counterfeit items may not meet the safety standards or quality of genuine products, potentially posing risks to consumers. Economic impact. Buying fakes can harm the economy by supporting illegal manufacturing and undermining genuine businesses. Ethical considerations. The production of knockoffs often bypasses ethical labor practices and environmental regulations. We hope this guide has shed some light on the world of imitation products and why they're such a significant aspect of consumer awareness. Remember, being able to recognize and avoid counterfeit items not only protects you but also supports ethical business practices and ensures that you're getting what you pay for. Thank you for watching, and stay savvy, shoppers!